Bitpanda Pro Europe app. The pros, the cons. The Bitpanda Pro Europe app is designed for European users seeking a professional trading experience for cryptocurrencies. Most people get this wrong by assuming all crypto apps are the same, but the surprising truth is that Bitpanda Pro offers low fees, advanced trading tools, and regulatory compliance for you users. On the Pros side, the app supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and fiat pairs, making it easy to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins against the euro. It offers advanced features like limit orders, stop orders, and real-time market charts. Bitpanda Pro is fully regulated in Europe and ensures secure storage of assets, providing peace of mind for traders. On the cons side, beginners may find the interface complex compared to simpler apps, and some features like staking or crypto interest are not available. Bank deposits and withdrawals in Europe are efficient, but SEPA transfers can take a day or two to process. In conclusion, the Bitpanda Pro Europe app is ideal for European users looking for advanced trading capabilities with regulatory security. While it may not be the simplest app for beginners, its professional tools, wide selection of assets, and low fees make it a strong option for serious crypto traders.